to the noise. This is fantastic. I'm out at Gustavo's today, and I'm here with our good friend Jesus, my translating buddy, just a good friend all around. He's also a fantastic cable guy, so if you have anything for cable needs, I'll put his link at the bottom of the video. So my first question for Gustavo is, how long has he lived in Ecuador?
La primera pregunta que tiene para ustedes, ¿qué tiempo ha vivido aquí en Ecuador?
No, pues yo soy ecuatoriano. Yo soy ecuatoriano, soy del Carmen, la parte central de entre Manaví y la Sierra. En el año 78 me vengo a vivir a Manta. Estudio el colegio, estudio la universidad, me incorporé de abogado, de profesión abogado. Pero después, cuando ya salgo como profesional de abogado, me decepciono de la humanidad y decido convertirme en nómada. Hasta que me vengo a vivir a estas montañas donde no había nada. Eso es, hablo del 2005. Me vine con 2 perritos. Al estar aquí yo igual tenía que salir, hacer mis compras, mis comidas. Y me doy cuenta de lo terrible que es ver tantos animalitos en el trayecto. Desde ahí empiezo a rescatar hasta el día de hoy.
¿Desde qué año se vino acá?
Desde 2005.
No, ¿desde qué año se vino a Manta?
En el 1978.
Okay, so basically Gustavo is an Ecuadorian person. So he's from El Carmen, which is a city 4 hours away from here.
Okay.
Probably. He's in the center of Ecuador.
Yeah.
Well, not in the center, but in the center of the province, probably the Manaví.
Yes.
Going more to the north.
Yeah.
So he moved here to Manta in the year 1978.
Yeah.
He's a professional lawyer, by the way. But after he graduated, he got disappointed from human beings because of the treatment that they gave to animals.
Yes.
In 2005, he retired from the center of the city to this place. He moved with 2 dogs. And now, as he had to go out in order to get their groceries, so he realized how strict dogs were living, so he decided to set this place. So from 2005, he's been living here and helping animals.
Well, yeah, that was my next question. Was you have a very interesting background. I understand that at one point you were a lawyer. Is that true?
Yeah, he's a professional lawyer.
He was a professional lawyer. Gave it all up after going back and forth to get this piece of property, and has been out here since 2005?
Yes.
Excellent. That's fantastic. Wow. How many dogs at one time? What's the most amount of dogs, as close as possible, that you've had here?
¿Cuál es la cantidad de perros, la cantidad máxima de perros que ha tenido aquí en este santuario?
300 perros.
300 dogs.
Oh, 300. And it doesn't look like there's 300 here anymore. Obviously, you take in a lot of different, you take in any type of dog, obviously. And what happens to the ones that are unable to be fixed?
Bueno, se nota que ya no hay 300 perros aquí, pero lo que le interesa conocer a él es qué pasa con los perritos que no pueden ser curados, que no pueden ser sanados, eventualmente.
Generalmente yo contrato con veterinarios cuando el caso lo requiere y lo amerita, y casos específicos de operaciones. Pero generalmente yo los trato lo que es piel, garrapata, cuestiones superficiales, eso sí puedo tratar yo, ¿no? Ya tengo experiencia durante 17 años, entonces tengo mucha experiencia, sé cuándo están, pero ya en los casos difíciles ya recurro al veterinario. Lo que es operación, una eutanasia, ya eso ya profesionalmente.
¿Y cuando no pueden ser salvados, son sacrificados?
Claro, por supuesto, cuando ya es un caso de un cáncer terminal, ya tengo que eutanasiar. Es decir, porque vienen ya con una predisposición, porque son perritos de la calle.
All right. So basically, the treatment he has with the dogs is a superficial treatment where they basically takes about their hairs, the skin.
Yeah.
But when he needs more help, things that he cannot perform, he asks for some vet helps Okay, so
Right.
he also hires some vets in order to make some surgeries to dogs and things like that. But when strict dogs cannot be saved, sadly they are sacrificed because of the conditions they. So he also asked for some vets' helps in order to sacrifice.
Excellent. Are there any vets that you'd like to give a shout out to that are currently helping you?
¿Hay algún veterinario que básicamente usted considera que es bueno aquí o al que quiera darle como una especie de ayuda para que pueda ir subiendo?
Sí, por supuesto que sí. Conozco muchos veterinarios en Manta, gente joven, gente adulta, pero específicamente recomiendo al doctor Juan. Ay, que no tengo el apellido en este momento, pero ahí está el apellido, ¿no? Sí, viste.
Juan Muñoz.
Juan Muñoz. Juan Muñoz es una de las personas que con un costo, con consideración a los que hacemos rescates animal, él da un precio cómodo. Por eso lo recomiendo.
All right, so he said that he knows a lot of bats, young bats, adult bats,
Yeah.
but he highly recommends to Dr. Juan Muñoz. He's a very professional vet, and
Okay.
he's very conscious about prices.
Fantastic. Yeah, with all these animals out here, how do you feed all these dogs? How do you feed all these dogs on your own?
Con todos los animalitos aquí, ¿cómo los alimenta? Digamos, ¿de dónde saca los recursos para alimentarlos?
Bueno, cuando recién empecé, aparte de ser abogado, soy carpintero, sé hacer muchas cosas, soy un sobreviviente y hacía construcciones de casas rústicas a muchas personas que me buscaban. Pero a medida que iba pasando, cuando iba teniendo más perros, más rescate, entonces se me hacía difícil poder atenderlos. Así que dejé ya de trabajar en esta área para dedicarme por completo a los perros. Pero la gente se fue sumando, soy muy conocido en Manta, en el país también, entonces la gente comenzó a sumarse, a ayudar de una forma más directa, enviándome alimentación para que yo pueda sostenerlos y pueda estar permanentemente con ellos vigilándolos.
Great. So, besides being a professional lawyer,
Yes.
he said that he knows to do a lot of different things, different
Yeah.
stuff. Like he's been a carpenter also.
Right.
So, when he started at the beginning, he was performing or he was doing some houses, some activities that were it was required computer. So after that, as they were getting more dogs, he basically quit to that job.
Yeah.
And he started to receive some help from different people.
Yeah.
So people started to contribute to this situation.
Nice.
And since there he has a lot of people that contribute to this cows directly.
Excellent. So that sort of leads into my next question is for volunteers, do you have regular volunteers that come out here to help you? And do you accept new volunteer help? Great shirt. That's a great shirt.
Al contrario, hubiese sido imposible que este refugio existiera.
Hace 3 años.
Sí, hace 3 años.
Okay, so basically when he started, he was alone for 4 years.
Yeah.
But then people were adding to these cows. They were helping him, and they were basically adding more people in order to help in this.
More volunteers.
Yeah, more volunteers. But he said that since 3 years ago, the city hall of the city of Manta
Yeah.
is helping with the mayor Agustin Intriago. Okay, he joins to these cows.
Yeah.
And basically, they receive a lot of help from them.
Oh, fantastic. That's good to hear. Where do you envision or see this rescue going? Like, where would you like to see this rescue get to? What point would you like to see this rescue? And what more do you need here to make that happen?
¿Cuál sería el propósito final de esto? Como a qué punto le gustaría ver llegar este santuario? ¿Hasta qué punto? ¿O cómo se ve en el futuro en este santuario?
Te cuento, cuando empecé nunca vi el futuro. Solamente vivía el día.
When he started on this, he said that he was not thinking about the future, but instead he was living day by day.
Yeah.
All right. But there was a point that he realized that he has an objective, and the objective was that he wanted to create conscience on people
Yes.
that basically abandon their animals, because most of these animals they were not strict dogs their whole life, but
Right.
before they had an owner, but the
Yeah.
owners are not conscious about the situation about having a dog, so they just abandoned it, and he rescued them in order to take care of them. So he wants to create conscious on people in order to take care of animals, because he said that animals are like our younger siblings.
Beautiful. No, that's beautiful, man. With all these dogs here, are there many dog fights? How do you sort of have a natural ability that these dogs just really listen to you? We can see in a lot of your videos that these dogs, it's almost like you speak dog, so to speak. You're like the dog whisperer. And so yeah, my question is are there many dog fights, and what do you do with the mean dogs?
Ok, básicamente aquí, como vemos muchos perros, puede haber peleas de perros. Entonces, ¿cómo los controla? Dice él que ha visto en muchos de sus videos que usted básicamente los controla, les habla y pareciera que habla ladino, que habla con los perros. Entonces, ¿cuál es básicamente la condición, cuál es el secreto que usted usa para evitar las peleas y para mantenerlos a ellos calmados y que lo escuchen?
We're gonna move out here. It's feeding time for the dogs, so they're gonna get a little bit noisy. But yet they'll still follow Gustavo, even though the food's the other way.
La base primordial a lo que tú me preguntas es que lo que funciona es el amor con ellos. Hay una sintonía y soy uno más de ellos. Me conecto con ellos, que les hablo como a mis hijos. Entonces existe un lenguaje intrínseco entre nosotros, ¿no? Interior, que ellos saben cuando los reto, los amo y muchas cosas. Por eso cuando andan conmigo en los videos o en muchos lugares, solo al hablarles que no quiero pelear, ellos saben que no deben pelear, ¿no? Son unos niños, ellos son niños que entienden tu lenguaje. Y cuando los llamo con su lenguaje. Por eso es que no hay el conflicto que como cualquiera pensaría que... Es que es imposible manejar manadas, es casi imposible porque hay perros fuertes y sobre todo el carácter con firmeza y amor. Ahí esa es la base fundamental.
All right, so basically he explains that the main point of it is love. Talk to the animals with love. Yeah, but sometimes he feels like there is a kind of intrinsic language they speak when they connect.
Yeah.
Okay, with the dogs, with the animals, and through this language, this intrinsic language, they can understand, because dogs are like just kids. Okay, they understand when you feel mad, when you feel
They sense
sad.
it.
Yeah, the senses of a dog. So he uses these senses in order to make dogs to understand him. So sometimes he has to call for the attention, and they understand. It's really hard to manage all this amount of dogs.
I
Of course,
bet.
because there are strong dogs.
Yeah.
But he has to manage his talking with love, and sometimes when they call for the attention, they understand that it's not for their bad, but it's for their good.
Right. Excellent. Well, that's fantastic. Gustavo, what would, as you go forward, what would be the most help for you, for your dog sanctuary, Gustavo's Dog Rescue? What do you need the most out here?
2 weeks after the owner, the previous owner, left him here,
Yeah.
when he came back in order to visit him, it was like he was not his owner anymore.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
He didn't follow him, but instead he followed Gustavo, because he believes that they create a connection right
Yeah,
away.
absolutely. He had that natural ability to connect with the dogs. Gustavo really seems to have that knack to communicate with the dogs. Oh boy, well, this is really awesome. I can't appreciate your time enough, and I know that moving forward, we are going to try to do everything we can to help you.
Yeah. There was another question, by the way. About what he needs the more.
Right, yes, please.
Gustavo, ¿qué es lo que usted cree que más usted considera que más necesita aquí? Como ayuda social en este santuario.
Mira, lo que más necesitamos es, bueno, es lo primordial, dinero, ¿no? Pero muchas veces es difícil pues, lo conseguir. Entonces, en las donaciones, si son donaciones, lo que más necesito son techos, como tú vas a ver, tengo infraestructura, techos, cemento, para seguir construyendo hábitat para ellos, o sea, espacios cerrados, donde pueda tener para los enfermos, perros que recién llegan, y medicina sobre todo. Alimentación casi tengo resuelto el asunto, ¿no? Las tercenas que me traen y el municipio que me trae la comida. Básicamente son materiales para infraestructura.
All right, so as you see around, probably what he needs the most, can you point there?
Yeah.
It's our materials in order to construct some houses for the dogs.
Construction
Yeah,
materials.
construction materials. For instance, some roofs.
Yes.
This is what they need right now desperately.
Okay.
Right? And some materials like concrete and things like that in order to build houses for them. All right?
Okay.
Construction materials. Also, another important thing are medicines. Because,
Okay.
you know, dogs need to be vaccinated and things like that. So
Yep.
they need medicine. About food, it's almost done because he received a lot of help with the food, not only by people but also by the City Hall of Manta.
Okay, that's good to hear.
Yep.
Okay, so construction materials, absolutely. And where Gustavo sleeps, there was a huge snake up in the rafters. Would you mind showing us where you sleep, Gustavo?
Okay, I'm going up to Gustavo's bedroom. Gotta climb up this ladder to get up to his bedroom.
And this is where Gustavo sleeps, and he usually has a bunch of dogs that follow him up here. He sure got a great view. He sure got a good view. Oh man, this is unbelievable. Gustavo, thank you so very much, man. You're numero uno in my books, man.
Gracias.
Yeah, I love you to death, man, and I'm gonna do so much to try and just bring you some change, man.
Venga, Pedrito, ven. Quiero que veas, yo voy a bajar y ella va a bajar.
What did you say?
He said that he wants you to see what's
Que veas
going to
cuando ella
happen.
baja.
She's going to get down with him.
Vamos, Pedrito, Pedrito. Pedrito, vamos.
And this is the stairs up to Gustavo's. It's a ladder.
Pedrito, vamos. Venga.
Unbelievable. I can't believe this is where he sleeps, man. Oh, good job. Me, I'm gonna have to be a little more careful.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. I won't be doing that. Yeah, a little too not safe for me. Oh, I did a good job.
Go.
Careful, Jesus.
Hey, man.
Your wife would not be happy with us. You have a baby to hold soon.
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. You got it.
Excellent. Thanks, my friend.
Honest, number one, he is honest. And he cares about these animals just like they're his own children. Gustavo's wife.
Angie, Drew, Susana,
They got all names.
Maya,
How do you remember all these names?
Marta, Lizzie, Peta, Navidita.
Oh, look at this little guy.
Ella se llama
Oh, he's so cute.
Becky.
Oh, Becky.
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 Otras personas si quieren para lanzar, no quiero lanzarme de arriba, a un cabo comando hasta abajo, siempre lo he hecho.
Yeah?
Pero voy
climbs
a
that?
lanzarme con un perro
Really?
en el hombro y voy a bajar ese cerro vertical.
Who's climbing that?
Okay, so he said that he always climbed down this mountain.
What?
Really? And what he wants you to do
Yeah.
is that if there is any case, you can record him with your drone
Oh, but yeah.
going down, but not alone, with a duck.
Yeah, when you want to do it, man, done, man. Yeah, consider it done.
Dice que cuando guste.
Sí,
nos
no
sirve
tengo
leche.
quien me filme.
Yeah, I'll bring it out next time I come then, and I'll make sure I get out here soon.
Muy bien. Dice que la próxima vez que venga él va a traer el dron.
What a great idea, man. I love that idea. That's awesome.
Dice que le encanta la idea, increíble.
Great idea.
Yo lo hago siempre, pero si no me filman, no
Claro,
se ve.
de eso de nada sirve. He said that he always do this thing,
Yeah.
but it's not being recorded. So
Oh, it's got to be recorded, and with the drone, that'll be awesome. Guys. Hi, guys. Oh, you guys are all so beautiful. Look at you guys. Now. Hi, buddy. Hi. Look at you. Oh, you're beautiful. Look at this guy. You're a cutie, man. Oh, I love this dog. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Oh, you're a good one, eh? Oh, you're a good boy. Look at you. Oh, you're gorgeous, man. Gorgeous. I gotta get a picture of this dog. Oh, whoa. Hold on. All right, baby. This is Ecuador Raw and Real. I'm signing out. And keep the subscriptions coming, please. I plan on changing this as best I can with the help of my friends and the subscribers. So let's do everything we can to help this man out. I love you all. Peace and love. All my blessings.